Welcome to our Live Online Spanish lessons. Once enrolled, you'll receive a personalized username and password to log in into your dashboard. Here, you can manage your lessons, access your virtual campus 24/7 to study on your own, review your notes, check your calendar, communicate with your coach, and have your live lessons. We have courses for all levels. The Virtual Campus. You can visit the Virtual Campus anytime to go over grammar tips, learn and review vocabulary, listen to audio files, watch videos, and more. The Virtual Classroom. Our Live Online lessons are held in real time in our highly interactive virtual classroom where you will meet up with your language coach. Our video conference systems combined with our user-friendly digital whiteboard allows us to provide students with a multi-sensory language experience that rivals that of the traditional in-person classroom. During lessons, you and your coach will talk, write, listen to videos and audios, read stories, and do all sorts of activities meant to empower you and encourage you to practice everything you learn in class.
Te veo la próxima semana. Un gusto conocerte.
Que tengas una buena tarde y te veo en la próxima clase.